Nokia phone maker HMD launches. There are 3 smartphones in the lineup, namely HMD Pulse Pro, Pulse and Pulse Plus. HMD Pulse will be available in Dreamy Pink, Meteor Black. HMD Pulse Plus will be available in Apricot Crush, Midnight Blue. HMD Pulse Pro will be available in Glacier Green, Black, Ocean, Twilight, Purple. The design is close to previous Nokia branded entries. Look at the Nokia C32. HMD Pulse Pro offers a textured finish for better grip. HMD all phone with a 6.65-inch IPS 90Hz display and slender bezels. It will be powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset with 6GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage, and will run Android 14. All phones is featuring a dual rear camera setup. The HMD Pulse Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It also has a 50-megapixel selfie camera. HMD Pulse Plus has a 50-megapixel camera and 13-megapixel shooter. HMD Pulse has a 13MP primary and depth sensor. Both phones feature an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. All phone come with 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging. HMD Pulse Pro will be available 20W. HMD Pulse costs at €140, roughly 12,460 rupees. HMD Pulse Plus costs at €160, roughly 14,240 rupees. HMD Pulse Pro price is set at €180, 16,000 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.